WebKey is a remote control software for Android. It has two components, a central dashboard, which runs in your web browser and from where you can access your devices, and a small client app you have to install on your Androids. After installing the client app on a smartphone, a smartwatch, a set-top box, a smart TV, a cash register, or really any other POS device, you can access your Android remotely and in real time. On the WebKey dashboard, select any device from your fleet and start working with it. It's pretty simple. Just click on the screen and it will act as it would be in your hands. Volume control, sleep, and all physical buttons are working as well. You can take screenshots or record videos with WebKey. From GPS tracking to launching any app remotely, WebKey offers a simple solution. If you want to dig deeper, with the Terminal Access feature, you can run advanced scripts and commands through 4G or Wi-Fi. Our servers are located around the world and all securely encrypted. If you need a private server license or want to integrate your own software, contact us. WebKey. Take control.